Hello friends! Today in this video I will share the types of shoes with names. Please comment on your favorite shoes. Always smile cutie. Types of sneakers with names. Types of white shoes with names. Wear upon breathable sneakers. Fox for white boots. Lead sneakers. Buckle up white boots. Vulcanized sneakers. Embroidery white shoes. Denim zipper sneakers. Canvas white shoes. Platform shoes. Printed sneakers. Chunky white shoes. Color block sneakers. Chunky sneakers. Wedge sneakers. Slip-on sneakers. Metallic glitter sneakers. Verona sneakers. Converse sneakers. Mary Jane white shoes. Leather sneakers. Dad sneakers. Perforation sneakers. Platform sneakers. Jimmy check sneakers. Solid sneakers. Leather white sneakers. Quilted striped sneakers. Mesh breathable white shoes. Lace-up sneakers. Slip-on white shoes. Canvas sneakers. Zipper white boots. If you like this video, please subscribe, like, and share with your friends. Till then, bye.